Let's learn today your activity 1 of Unit 5. That is very famous poem of Robert Frost. Robert Frost is a poet who is well known for his various poems, but this is his one of famous poem. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Two diverged in a yellow wood. Let me explain you first what is the introduction about this poem. Whenever you are thinking about two options, or whenever you have two options in front of you, that can be market shopping, it can be your career choice, or it can be your roads which you want to select. It can be your streams after 10th. It can be you are thinking about your career, what you want to be in future. Like if you are good in maths, you are good in biology or science subjects also, then you may be get confused about selecting the career of a doctor or an engineer, or another one which is very different, not done by anyone. Okay, so this way, here the road not taken is a narrative poem completely. It is telling us in a narration. एक एक्सपीरियंस पोएट यहाँ अपने साथ शेयर करना चाह रहा है. वो शेयर करने का एक जो तरीका है वो ये है कि द रोड नॉट टेकन, मतलब जो रास्ता मैंने चुना ही नहीं, ऐसा उसका मतलब होता है. The road diverged. Diverge means at one point, if you have seen, जहाँ से एक रास्ता होता है but it gets divided into two. Diverge, that is called as. सीधा एक जो प्लेन रास्ता होता है उसी से आगे लेफ्ट और राइट में दो रास्ते निकल जाते हैं. This way, the poet here is talking about the two ways in yellow wood. How is the wood? Wood means the forest or the jungle. The jungle or the forest is yellow, means it is not green. Okay, it's changed the leaf changed the color, that is in yellow. Can be said as the leaves are much mature to fell down. And sorry, I could not travel both. Here narratively poet again want to say that sorry, I could not travel both. Surely one person could not travel the both at the same time and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down, one as far as I could. Means at that point he was just thinking, where should I go? At that point he was just looking at those both the roads to where it bent in undergrowth. There was a road at the left, maybe it was bent undergrowth, means टर्न लेकर, जैसे रास्ता यू टर्न जैसा हल्का टर्न होता है या फिर कर्वी रास्ता होता है, उस तरह से वो लेफ्ट वाला रास्ता. नॉट स्पेसिफिकली हियर इट्स शोन दैट लेफ्ट रोड, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू एज लेफ्ट. सो इट वॉज बेंट इन द अंडरग्रोथ, मतलब आगे जाकर वो बढ़ रहा है, बट कैसा, थोड़ा टर्न लेकर, जैसे जहां से थोड़ा हमें लेफ्ट की तरफ और ज्यादा मुड़ना पड़े. इसी को इन पर्सोनिफिकेशन पोएट हैज रिटन बेंट ओवर हियर, मतलब जैसे झुक गया हो, हम जैसे झुक जाते हैं. ओके, देन टुक द अदर. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट रोड? दैट इज द राइट साइड रोड नाउ. देन टुक द अदर एज जस्ट एज फेयर. दोनों सेम ही दिख रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि लेफ्ट का जो रोड है वो येलोइश है और राइट साइड के जो लीव्स है दैट आर ग्रीन इन कलर एंड फ्रेश इन, नॉट लाइक दैट, बट that are adjust as fair and having perhaps for better claim, the better claim. Now he is thinking that the road which is bent undergrowth is different and he wants to choose now the right one. Okay, and having perhaps the better claim, it could be a better claim for me. What do you mean by claim? Means my selection, my priority, या फिर मैंने जो भी चीज चूज की है वो मेरा क्लेम शायद मुझे लग रहा है कि सही जाएगा. बिकॉज इट वॉज ग्रासी एंड वॉन्टेड पेयर. द रोड वॉज ग्रासी, इट वॉज नॉट मच यूज्ड. ओके, दैट इज वॉन्टेड वेयर. ग्रासी मीन्स with greenery at downside, but the leaves are yellow of the trees, but the grass is still there. And at the left door you left way you could not see that grass. Means that इनडायरेक्टली पोएट वांट्स टू नैरेट ओवर हियर दैट वो जो राइट वाला रास्ता है वो कम यूज हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से वहां पे जो ग्रास है वो दिख रही है, वो पूरी तरह से प्रेस नहीं हुई है, यूज नहीं दिख रही है. दो एज फॉर दैट द पासिंग देयर हैड ओन देम रियली अबाउट द सेम. मतलब वहां से पास होने वालों ने शायद उसे इतना ज्यादा यूज नहीं किया है. That way he was saying. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had trodden black. इसका कहना है कि अगर सुबह के टाइम मैंने जैसे दोनों भी रास्ते को देखा तो द लेड लीव्स ऑन दैट, उस पे जो गिरे हुए ट्रोडन ब्लैक हो चुके हुए पत्ते हैं. ओ आई केप द फर्स्ट टू अनदर वे. ये सारा कंफ्यूजन मेरा था ही कि वन वॉज ग्रासी, वन वॉज बेंट undergrowth. The second thing is both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. मतलब जो नीचे लीव्स गिरे थे वो ब्लैक नहीं हुए थे, येलोइश दैट आर. ओके, एंड दैट वे द बोथ वेज आर सेम. ट्रोडन हियर मीन्स टू स्टेप ऑन समथिंग और कैन बी सेड एज यूज्ड विद द फीट. मतलब हम अगर उस पर पैर रखेंगे टू वॉक और टू स्टेप ऑन समथिंग, दैट इज ट्रोडन ओवर हियर. Okay, the next thing here, poet wants to tell, oh, I'm on third line of this. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Why he kept the first for another day? Because see, he couldn't go at the same time on the same roads. So now he decided to take that right side path. I'm giving you an idea, and left side he has kept for the another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, means yet knowing, he was knowing that how way leads on to way, मतलब आगे जाकर ये रास्ता मेरा कैसा जाएगा, कैसे बनेगा, आगे कैसी लाइफ रहेगी, दैट आई वॉज नॉट थिंकिंग. समटाइम्स हम मार्केट में चले जाते हैं, वी लाइक वाइट बट वी think that no, darker colors are better. So we again and again we were thinking about, or you may be thinking about again and again कि नहीं वाइट ले लेते तो थोड़ा अच्छा दिखता है, सोबर लुक देता है. बट अगेन वी थिंक नो, लेट इट बी, ले ही लेते हैं, दो इट विल गेट डर्टी बट आई लाइक दिस वन. सो हियर येट नोइंग हाउ वे लीड्स ऑन टू वे, मतलब मुझे पता है आगे क्या होने वाला है या क्या नहीं होने वाला है. स्टिल आई विल स्टिक विद द सेम, मैं उसी के साथ चलूंगा. आई डाउटेड इफ आई शुड एवर कम बैक, मुझे डाउट भी है, मैंने जो एक रास्ता छोड़ दिया अनदर डे के लिए, स्टिल आई डाउट आई शुड एवर कम बैक, मैं शायद कम आऊंगा, वापस आऊंगा या नहीं भी, ये भी डाउट है. आई शैल बी टेलिंग दिस विद अ साई, हाउ ही इज टेलिंग, विद अ डीप ब्रीथ, विद सैडनेस. Okay, when we take the deep breath, when we are thinking very deeply with a thought which is not going to happen, or maybe a something sorrowful mind is there, at that time we take a sigh. I shall be telling this with a sigh, means sadness, or here with a deep breath. Somewhere ages and ages hinge, means kai sare ages, means age is not about 10 years, 20 years, okay? It is ages and ages, many years hence. Two roads diverge in wood. Still the roads will be diverge in the wood. कितने भी सारे साल हो जाए, सालों तक साल हो जाए, but two roads diverged in wood. How are the roads that are still diverged in wood? And I took the one less traveled by. Means I will say it surely that I have chosen that time which was less traveled by the people, and I am happy with that. I am at least stick with that, whatever may be the result further. As he told, yet knowing how way leads on to way, means what will happen next, I don't know that. Okay, and that has made all the difference. Now this is the life's main difference. Once you have selected something, you should have to be happy with that, or either try to be happy with the things whatever you have selected, because sometimes you may not have a chance to come back and to again select another thing. It may be your career, it may be your choices. The choices about your dresses and clothes and eating food can be changed or can get a new chance for you. But words once spoken to someone, that should be always good, that should not have a second thought, which may be giving you a chance of changing it. So, this way, here the writer is saying that I will not, it will surely made a difference, but I will stick with the road, and I will keep in mind always for ages and ages that I have selected at that time the less traveled road. Now, here there is a reading the road not taken by the poet himself can be heard at. Okay, the poem actually, the road not taken, has been interrupted in different ways, as I told you, about food, about career lines, और अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. यहाँ पे अगर आप सोचोगे कि करियर लाइंस के बारे में भी सेम थिंग अप्लाई होती है. वंस यू सिलेक्ट आफ्टर 11th-12th साइंस ले लिया आपने, तो वापस आप 2 साल बाद वापस आर्ट्स कर सकते हो क्या? यस, यू मे से दैट हाँ मैम कर सकते हो, बट नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट विथ एवरी वन इट हैपन्स. रेयरली इट कैन बी अ केस इन thousands, or you can say that. But once you have taken a decision, you should have to stick with that, whatever may be the condition. The second thing is, I would suggest, the moral of the story is, when you are thinking to take decision, take some time more, but take the perfect condition, a perfect decision. And if the decision is taken, do not get confused or sigh for the same. The poem is having a different ways of interpretation. Allow student time, means you can also, if I will give you time to show your views or to express your views for how you think on this topic, then there will be many views of students also. Frost, shortly before the poem was published in 1916. Okay, this is how the poet looked when he wrote Long stood and looked down Banasford. Here you can see the Robert Frost picture. Okay, he is as though looking there, and then Frost after ages and ages hence, means here you can find out the young age picture and the senior Frost is here. So this is the poem The Road Not Taken. It ends here with the moral to choose the correct ways for your life.